Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to master Zarya in Overwatch. So these are the 5 simple steps that you have to follow. The first step is to understand energy mechanics. Zarya's damage output increases with her energy level. Absorb damage with your barriers to gain energy and make sure to manage your barriers wisely to maximize your damage potential. The following step is to utilize barriers effectively. Use projected barrier to protect teammates and personal barrier to shield yourself. Timing is crucial. Use them just before taking damage to gain energy and keep your team alive. The third step is to know that positioning is key. Stay near the front lines but avoid overextending. Position yourself so you can observe damage while being close enough to deal damage to enemies and support your team. The second last step is to communicate with your team. Let your teammates know when your barriers are available. Coordinate with them to maximize their effectiveness and secure kills when your energy is high. The last step is to master Graviton Surge. Zarya's ultimate ability can turn the tide of battles. Use it to group enemies together for your team to follow up with damage. Be strategic about when and where you can deploy it for maximum effect. So yeah guys, this is about it for today's video. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider